The dream of everyone is to own a very big agri business, like the big plants, the big farms with plenty birds. For some other people, this is owning a very big farmland. But the one question that keeps coming in is, how do I start? I do not have so much money, right? You hear people saying, this thing costs so much money. How do I even start it? For some other people, it's running big processing facilities and they're asking themselves, how do I start? You see, beautifully, some other people have gone ahead to ensure that in their day-to-day 9 to 5 job, they save every penny that comes in. They try to save as much as they can. But you see, after saving, this is all they have. Small cash and wondering, with this my small cash, how do I start this dream? Well, in this course, we will be teaching you the smallest way to start all kinds of agric business of your dreams. And by teaching you that, we mean starting from where you are with what you have and eventually converting your small money to very big money that gives you so much joy. So, guys, see you in this class. And if you've not signed up, this is a good time to do so. Your success and your financial growth in the agricultural sector is now in your hands. Thank you.